Hey guys, today we're doing something a little bit different on the channel. We're making beef tongue tacos. We take our beef tongue, just goes right in the crock pot real easy. We're gonna add our own custom barbacoa seasoning mix and just put that right over top. And then I've got some unsalted beef broth, 2 cups, goes in as well. I'm gonna turn it on low for 8 hours and check on it at that point. We're also going to make some steak tacos. Got our skirt steak here. We're going to put it in a bag for easy marinating. Got a mix of lemon and lime juice, a little bit of tequila. This all helps it break down. It's going to sit in this overnight. And then our taco seasoning mix. This sat in the crock pot for over 8 hours. I could see it bursting apart before I even attempt to take the skin off. You want to try to take this skin off while it's hot. It smells incredible. I can't see how this is going to be bad. And this just peels right off real easy and makes it not so weird looking inside. Just looks like beef. Comes off like that. Oh, that smells so good. I can pull it apart by hand. It's just so hot. Using the assistance of the knife edge here. Not actually needing to cut anything. Enough screwing around. Let's see what this is all about. I just want to eat it like that. Never mind the taco recipe, we're good. We've got our own blend of taco seasoning. And this was so good as it was, I really don't want to kill all that flavor. So I'm going to season some, mix, taste, and see if I actually need everything I initially intended. Now we're ready to put this aside. So we're going to make some fresh salsa. Since we're going through the trouble, we'll make a green salsa or salsa verde as well. All you do is cut back the tomato and up the tomatillo or green tomato. Add in our lime. Our taco shells here, good tip. Leave them turned upside down, that way they don't close on themselves when cooking. Got the oven preheated to 325, and we'll give them about 10 minutes in there. Got some homemade chorizo here we put in the cast iron skillet. Just gonna let that heat up with the grill. Got the grill good and hot. Chorizo's been going a while. We're gonna throw on our skirt steak. This is gonna cook very quickly, as thin as it is. Might do this a little finer than I usually would as it goes on tacos today. Just start through a thicker piece. Very nice. I think that's going to turn out just about perfect for what we were doing. So at its rarest, maybe a medium rare. You don't want to go too rare on these. And you always want to slice against the grain. And then for our tacos, make it bite size like that there. All right. Shot. It's going to be amazing. So we got our 2 different salsas. I'm going to try them individually and make a mess. That's absolutely delicious. Very fresh tasting. Came out better than I thought. I tried it right out of the blender and I guess it didn't have time to sit. Now that's been sitting refrigerated. That is outstanding. So don't be too harsh on yourself if you try it right away. You kind of get a little bit of the raw ingredients all separated here. It's really melded together. I would do that anytime. That is actually great. Let me try the green here, salsa verde. Wow. I think that one's even better by a slight margin. So I've got my tacos assembled here. I'm going to start with the lingua taco, the beef tongue. All we did was put a little bit of cheese, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of cilantro. You can put whatever you want on it. I think I'm going to top all 3 with the salsa verde, starting with this one. And I don't want to totally overpowered. So just a nice topping there. Let's see. Do I even need to tell you? It's amazing. Moving on. Oh God, that was so good. I gotta take a minute and appreciate it. It's hard not to eat the whole thing. Chorizo taco. Very good. In hindsight, with that one, I probably would have used the red salsa. Skirt steak. Steak taco. Tough decision. A chorizo taco is always good. It's a little break from the monotony of the same seasoning because it brings a little different flavor. The annatto comes through. It's pork. You know, most people make tacos with beef. It's very nice. The skirt steak has a steak-like bite if that's what you're craving. It goes perfect in there. And the beef tongue is just something special. I think because it's not something I get often, I think I have to say that the beef tongue's the best one. Probably the skirt steak after that and the chorizo after that, but all of them are a home run. Nothing wrong with any of it. I want to try something. It's got a little bigger taco shell. And, you know, I feel like I'd be a wasted opportunity if I didn't put everything you see here all in one taco. So, you got a beef tongue going in. Let's not be shy here. Right. Got chorizo going in. And we got our skirt steak going in. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of green, a little bit of red. He's like, I know you're gonna drop some. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.